Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. I've been frustrated, and sure you have been too, when it comes to getting local television reception in your RV. Digital television signals over the air are incredibly good, but only if your antenna can receive them. Today I'll show you an absolutely incredible antenna, and I'll show you how to replace your poorly performing RV TV antenna. I discovered the King Jack roof-mounted directional HD TV antenna for RVs. When I bought my Class C RV, it came equipped with a directional line guard TV antenna with a direction control handle inside the coach. It would get a few channels, but never did it really get good quality images. This highly rated King Jack antenna is designed to easily replace most existing roof-mounted antennas. It comes with an amplifier mounted on a standard wall plate designed to replace any existing wall plate connection for amplified antennas. I know you already have a wall-mounted amplifier with your existing antenna. Well, throw it away and use the new plate that comes with the King Jack antenna. Here's how we go about doing this project. First, read the instructions that come with the antenna. Then, read them again. We're going to be working on the roof, so get the things you needed ready so that you can make only one trip up the ladder. A fresh tube of self-leveling DiCor adhesive, a caulking gun, paper towels, cleaning fluid, as well as the following items: a plastic putty knife, a metal blade scraper knife, a putty knife, a cordless screw gun, an electric or battery-operated jig saw, Phillips head and flat slot screwdriver bits, pliers, a package of butyl rubber cork strips, and most importantly, patience. Begin by slowly and carefully removing the existing DiCor currently sealing your existing TV antenna to the roof. Caution: most RV roofs are rubber roofs. The rubber is thin, and you must be careful not to tear it as you remove the DiCor. Pulling off the DiCor that covers up the head of the 4 screws that holds this antenna down. That'll be our first step. Try and expose it to get the screws out. Then we give a seat to scrape the DiCor off the roof. Prepare the surface for the new antenna. I found that a small plastic putty knife was very handy to use after removing the initial bulk layer of DiCor. A twisting action is the secret to removing this adhesive without killing yourself, or the rubber roof material too. With the DiCor removed, the mounting screws for the existing antenna will now be revealed. Use your screw gun to remove them. They are usually Phillips head screws. With the screws removed and the DiCor removed, carefully pull the antenna by its base and pull it away from the roof. You will see the antenna cable attached beneath the base. With your pliers, unscrew the antenna cable from the old antenna. With the old antenna disconnected and removed, Clean the area with the cleaner and paper towels you brought up on the roof with you when you brought your tools up. The hole into which the antenna control shaft goes through is likely smaller than the shaft of the new King Jack antenna. It was so in my case. I needed about another 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch in diameter, so I thought to use my hole saw. NFG. No good. The hole saw wanted to dance around and it would likely tear the rubber roof. This is where the Jig Saw came in handy, and with it and my razor knife, I was able to easily enlarge the hole. Don't worry if you make the hole slightly larger than you actually need. The mounting plate of the King Jack antenna is very forgiving, and the DiCor will seal the deal. With the new antenna held upside down, insert the butyl rubber cork strips into the groove located around the base of the bottom of the perimeter of the antenna. Then inspect the antenna cable to make sure the connector is good and you can see the wire, the solid wire, coming out of it. Carefully install the antenna connector onto your new antenna. Mount the antenna to the roof with the included screws. Spread a bead of self-leveling DiCor around the perimeter of the new antenna, overlapping it on the base plate. Then add a generous coating of DiCor to cover the entire area that was initially covered with DiCor when you began. The DiCor is self-leveling and will spread and adhere nicely. Time to come down from the roof. The hard part is done. Inside the coach, remove the existing antenna position handle and plate. It's usually held fast by 2 or 3 small screws. Install the new position handle and plate. Now, locate and remove the antenna cable plate, usually found in the immediate area of your television electric plug outlet. Relocate the antenna cable mounted on the back of the old plate to the new plate, which is included with the King Jack antenna. The antenna amplifier is already mounted on the back of this plate. Do not attempt to use an old existing amplifier, as it is not wired to operate the direction finder built into the control handle. There is an illuminated button on the wall plate to turn the amplifier on and off as needed. On the control handle, you'll find an on-off switch to use to turn off the direction finding LEDs after you have set your location up. This way, you won't be annoyed by the bright LEDs as you watch television. I followed the instructions and easily located the nearest broadcasting tower, and voila! Although it's 60 miles away from me, I instantly received over 40 channels of digital HDTV. I have included a printed set of these instructions and a tool list below in the description panel. I hope this video has helped you, and if you did find this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. So long for now.